So guys, this is just a quick garden update. Can you guess what this is? Well, this is the chaff from saving a mixture of corn and sorghum. So here we call it pap. So when you soak it, it absorbs water, then you grind it, then you sieve it to make a fine powder that we call pap. So this is the chaff from sieving it. So that's one of the things about organic gardening. Nothing really goes to waste. You can just take something like this and put it in your container garden or apply it in your garden so your plants will benefit from it instead of just throwing it away in the dustbin where it will rot and smell. So as you can see, I'm applying it to my pepper plants, my curry plants, and it is going to be slowly incorporated with the soil that is already there. I also applied it to my aloe vera plants and my ugu plants, and they are doing very well. So here you can see me applying it to my ugu plants that I planted in these containers. And here is the end result. You can see my basil plants are just exploded, filling up the whole container. They're all looking fresh and green. So guys, organic gardening is really the way to go, especially when you have a small space. You can see my pepper plants. Can you see their green color? Very healthy, no pests, no nothing. So we don't really need to break the bank if we want to grow our own food. We'll use what God has already given us. And nature, we recognize nature, right? So that is it. These are my pepper plants, looking very healthy. So that's it, guys. I encourage you all to grow your own food because it's not expensive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.